Your architecture repository is full of valuable information about relationships within your company. Sometimes your stakeholders don't have EA, and Excel is better. With AI power tools for Sparx EA, you can generate a business-friendly Excel matrix with your architecture data in just a few minutes. There are 4 AI-augmented architecture use cases: modeling, analysis, governance, and stakeholder engagement. This video focuses on stakeholder engagement. Start by connecting the AI tools you already use to your Sparx EA models with AI power tools for Sparx EA. Open the architecture model Enterprise Architect on your computer. Launch AI power tools for Sparx EA within Claude or VS Code. Give it a prompt, create the matrix views, and tell it what data to use. AI power tools will query the model data from EA and use Excel to render it. AI is done, and we now have an Excel workbook with our data. Let's take a look. Here is the employee-to-department matrix we asked for, and the department-to-location matrix. Here is the combined drill down that we didn't ask for, but AI power tools for Sparx EA thought might be helpful. You now have a set of Excel matrix views built from your EA model, ready to share with stakeholders in a matter of minutes. AI did the mechanical work, but the architect was always in the driver's seat. Learn more about how you can start doing AI-augmented architecture by visiting sparxservices.com/AI-power-tools.